So we finally made it to Kotor Montengro. After an overnight bus from Belgrade, Serbia, we finally made it here through some crazy mountains, and then we finally saw the sea. It's so nice to finally see water and not rivers, as much as I loved all of the cities that we've been to so far. But it's my thing. I love to see the beach. We have 2 days here in Kotor, and we can't wait to explore this Venetian style city. It's nestled in the Bay of Kotor, and it has amazing views. So one particular thing that we're going to be doing is actually walking up to the very top of the fortress. But first, a walking tour.
The thing about the clock tower is the mechanism inside. It's still the original one from 18th century, it's still functional. And it's supposed to look something like this here. Time for cat photos. When the cathedral were damaged many times throughout the history. Now it's all just, it wasn't wars. We have a very typical thing for coastal Montenegro, Albania and Croatia, which is very strong earthquakes. Unfortunately today they're more like photo models. They're used to people, really used to people. You can poke them, you can move them, you can pose with them, they don't care. Especially if you feed them at the end. So they're useless. If a rat would pass by, she would just turn the head, if not run.
So we just finished our walking tour and learned a ton about Kotor. He suggested a few different seafood restaurants that we could try because we're finally by the sea now. We were near a lot of the landlocked cities and always having meats like beef and pork and potatoes and all that. So now we're finally having seafood for the very first time. And so here I've got mussels, lots of mussels, and we've got prawns.
Cool. Yeah. Good cat.
Look at. What up, dude? Today we're going to be climbing up to the very top of the fortress, and behind us is actually the real entrance, but the tour guide told us about a way that we can go outside of the fortress or outside the city walls, go up and then hang back and start to join the wall. So we're doing that for free, so hopefully this works out. You can save yourself €8. Ready, Omar?
Ready.
So pretty much we're outside the city walls, and if you want to climb up all the way to the top, you actually just hang out back here and then you go up and you hang over. Donkey! Make sure you wear good shoes because this way is rocky. I would say if you come early, this trail is completely covered with shade by the mountain, but I'm not sure about after this when we join the walls behind us. Making our way to the fortress. Oh, kitty cat. Kitty's leading the way. Oh, come on, Kitty. Oh my gosh, it's really coming. This is where Kitty brought us. Pretty cool, Kitty. You gonna come with us all the way to the top? Joined the actual fortress itself and climbed through a hole. Now we have to go up the rest of these steps to the top. Oh, it's the red flag at the top of the fortress. That means we're at the top. Oh my God. And there you have it. It took us about an hour and 15 minutes to go from the free side and then to get to the very top of this fortress, even with taking photos and videos and feeding cats along the way. But now we're gonna go straight down through the front and wave to those people that are collecting euros at the front because we just cheated the system. But we're going to also do another fun thing today, which is go on a boat ride and visit 3 different sites here in Kotor. So we're looking forward to it.
And one dog in the whole town.
We're waiting at the dock for our boat tour. It's going to take us to the Lady on the Rock, Mamula, and also the Blue Lagoon. It looks like we're able to jump in at the end, so hopefully we'll get to take out the GoPro, maybe see some, I don't know, whatever's in the Blue Lagoon. But for now, here's some fish.
Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever.
In World War II, there were submarine tunnels used to hide submarines from spy planes and satellites. They disguised the entrance with fake rocks so that you couldn't tell that they were even there.
In this dream of your own design, there is someone calling your name.
Mamula Island. It's now an uninhabited island that used to be a prison during both of the world wars. Now, it's used for movie locations.
Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.